Hi, my name is Mike Summers from Jim the Shoe Doctor in Eugene, Oregon. Today we're going to be talking about cleaning and protecting dance shoes, pointe shoes, ballet shoes, jazz style tap shoes, that sort of thing. And so we'll start out with this is a basic dance shoe. What you'd want to do with a shoe like this, it's kind of hard because it's a metallic. When you clean and protect a metallic shoe, you can use just a neutral polish. This is a leather shoe. Or you can use a metallic polish. The metallic polishes have to be a pretty close match to look correct. As you don't want a tremendous amount of difference in the appearance of the shine between the two. When applying a polish to a shoe like that, you just rub it in. And I'm going to cover the whole area. You can use a soft cloth or a brush. I tend to use cotton most of the time for cleaning most things because it doesn't leave a lint and residue on the finish of the shoe. And once it is dried for just a little bit, you can go back and buff those sections. And using it as another cotton cloth or a brush, with using colors like this, you're probably going to want to use a cloth because if you use a black brush for polishing a shoe and then you go back and try and put it on something like this, more than likely you're going to transfer color and it's going to show up in the shoe. So best to use a clean cloth so you know that you're not putting any other color back into the shoe. On pointe shoes that are leather, you would do basically the same thing. You would first clean the shoes, especially with pointe shoes because they contact the ground a lot, and you have to remove that dirt off the shoe. So you'd use a cleaner to remove the dirt, and then once you've removed that dirt with on a leather shoe, you would apply a polish, whatever color would be correct, or a neutral polish if you can't find a polish that matches. And with a satin shoe, you would want to use a product that, like this, is made for suedes, satins, nylons, canvas. You can use this on an athletic shoe, on many different materials. This is a really good cleaner. The only problem is that you have to get the entire shoe wet when applying this cleaner. You would work it in with a little brush to clean it. You can use like a soft bristled nylon brush to actually work the cleaner into the nylon, and then you would take and rinse the entire shoe off, and then let it dry naturally. You never want to heat a shoe when you're drying it, so you let it dry naturally, and that's how you would clean and protect a leather or satin dance shoe. Thank you.